How to create a new folder on your MacBook. Either you wanna create on your desktop right here, or you wanna do it on your Finder. To do it on desktop, you wanna right click on the desktop anywhere but on the another folder, and then choose new folder, and you can name the folder. To rename it, you wanna right click on the folder and then choose rename. And there you go. And then you can also drag your folder anywhere on the desktop. And to do it on your Finder, you want to go to your Finder right here at the bottom left of your screen. And for example, I want to do it on my downloads. What you want to do is you want to right click on the anywhere but on the application or on other files, and then choose new folder and type anything, and that's it. And you can also customize your folder by right click on it and then choose on the text, so you can see more clearly when you search for the folder that you want to. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.